So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and install games on your Asus Rog Ally. Now, doing this is actually fairly basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So because this thing runs Windows, you can install whatever Windows game you want on this thing. So you can install emulators and all those things. You just have to make your way over to the internet browser and download them. But there's a built-in way, and that is by going into the Armory Crate option. So if you look in the top right corner, where this joystick is right here, right above this joystick in between the buttons, there's like this little button right here. There's two buttons up here. This button on the left side of the right side Joy-Con right here is your Armory Crate button. If you actually click into this button right there, it will actually open up a window which allows you to go ahead and basically manage all the games that you have within your system. So within this quick pop-up, you can quickly jump into Steam, your Xbox Cloud Gaming option, EA stuff, Ubisoft, and your Rogue Ally option, or your whatever that is gallery. You have the capability of kind of going through and playing your games this way. So you could go through and tap onto Steam, and it will open up your Steam client or install Steam if you don't already have it enabled, and it will just automatically allow you to connect to your Steam library and play all your games that way. You can also go through and open up the Xbox Cloud Gaming option as well. So you can click onto Xbox Cloud Gaming and jump into at least installing it, and you have that type of capability there too. So there's a lot of different ways you can install games on here. That's kind of just one of the main ways you can do it. So in terms of that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.